For all you Ford fans, converting your classic Mustang over to EFI has never been simpler. Whether it's our Sniper EFI system or a Coyote swap, our Holley OEM fuel tank modules were designed as a direct replacement for your factory Ford pickup and sending unit. Our OEM fuel tank modules include 3 different float arms to fit all tanks from years 1964 through 1970. That's right, no need for modifications, and you won't have to replace your fuel tank. You can also retain the factory fuel hardline. Just connect the outlet of the pump module to your hardline on your vehicle with some EFI rated fuel hose and hose clamps. The in-tank fuel pump is a high-pressure 255 liters per hour unit capable of supporting EFI engines producing up to 550 horsepower on gasoline. The included Holley Hydromat provides protection from contaminants with a compact 15-micron pre-filter that attaches directly to the fuel pump. You'll get low fuel handling capability that's better than any baffled tank on the market. Fuel pressure is regulated internally and preset at 59 psi, eliminating the added expense of an external unit. To top it off, no return line is needed. All return fuel is handled inside the tank. We've also incorporated a pre-calibrated fuel level sending unit that's designed to work with a factory fuel gauge already in your Ford. Installation is simple and straightforward. We recommend the use of a 30 amp relay and that you have a minimum of 12 gauge wire to supply the power to your pump. Holley OEM style EFI fuel tank modules are excellent for use with EFI systems like the Holley Terminator, Sniper EFI, MSD Atomic EFI, and most other EFI systems out there. Bring your Mustang back to the future with an OEM style EFI fuel tank module from Holley. Thanks for watching. For more information on Holley's OEM style EFI fuel tank modules for Fords, visit our website at holley.com.